Hello everyone, welcome to the Inventor Quantitative Trading channel. With the rapid development of AI technology, quantitative trading is also undergoing profound changes. Today, I will introduce you to a new paradigm in quantitative trading, recently launched by the Inventor Quantitative platform, Workflow. This technology brings a completely new implementation approach to quantitative trading by integrating AI and visual programming. So, what is a workflow, and what changes can it bring to our quantitative trading? Let us explore together. Simply put, a workflow is a visual programming tool, but its essence is to modularize and assemble complex business logic through a graphical interface, automating business processes. Imagine you no longer need to write complex code, but instead build your trading system by dragging and connecting different functional modules, just like assembling building blocks. What are the benefits of this approach? There are four main characteristics. First, visual interface. What you see is an intuitive graphical interface where you can build complex trading logic by dragging nodes and connecting lines. Second, rich pre-built nodes. The platform has already prepared various commonly used functional nodes for us, such as data acquisition, data processing, trade execution, and more. Third, AI model integration. This is the most exciting part. Workflows can directly integrate large language models like OpenAI and Claude, and even support the MCP protocol, making AI your trading assistant. Fourth, code extension support. For advanced users, you can still implement more complex custom functions through Inventor API functions. So what role does workflow actually play in quantitative trading? Let me expand your thinking. First, it serves as a bridge connecting AI with quantitative trading. In traditional quantitative trading, AI is just an analysis tool. But through workflows, AI can directly participate in trading decisions and execution. You can perfectly connect the analytical capabilities of large language models, market data, technical indicators, and trade execution to form a complete intelligent trading chain. Second, it can integrate multi-source data for rapid response. Today's market information sources are very diverse. Exchange data, news media, social platforms, on-chain data, and more. Workflows can simultaneously process information from these different sources, providing timely responses in rapidly changing markets. This rapid response capability is particularly important in scenarios like meme coins, where hot topics rotate frequently. Most importantly, it provides a completely new way of trade execution. Workflows connect market analysis, signal generation, and trade execution into a complete system. You can choose one-time execution, loop execution, or add manual confirmation at key decision points. This flexibility is difficult to achieve with traditional quantitative trading. Next, let us look at what workflow nodes the Inventor platform specifically provides. The Inventor platform is based on the mature N8N framework, specifically optimized for quantitative trading scenarios. It mainly provides 6 major categories of nodes. AI node, this is our intelligent brain, which mainly consists of 3 parts. The sentiment analysis node, used to analyze the emotional sentiment of text using large language models. The AI agent, used to generate plans and execute them, capable of using external tools to perform related operations. And the MCP client, used to connect tools from MCP servers. Let me briefly demonstrate an MCP example. Here we connect to AlphaVantage. After filling in the endpoint, we establish the MCP connection. Once successfully connected, we can select various tools. Here we choose New Sentiment. Fill in CryptoBTC for tickers, and this allows us to obtain Bitcoin financial news and sentiment analysis data collected by the AlphaVantage website, which can be applied to our trading system to acquire sentiment analysis dimension scores. Additionally, we can also configure MCP settings on the Inventor platform for related operations. Data transformation node, specifically responsible for data operations, filtering, and format conversion. Whether it is data cleaning or formatted output, it can handle everything with ease. Flow node implements logical control for strategy execution, including branch judgment, conditional merging, and loop execution, making strategy execution processes more intelligent and automated. Core node supports running custom code, sending HTTP requests, reading and writing files, node notifications, and log output, providing unlimited expansion possibilities for advanced users. Notification node, real-time message push expert that can send messages to DingTalk, Faishu, Telegram, and various other instant messaging platforms, helping everyone stay informed about strategy execution, status, and trading dynamics anytime. Trader node. This is the core of the entire system, providing comprehensive trading functionality components that directly integrate with major exchanges to obtain real-time account information and market data and execute actual buy and sell operations based on trading decisions. Of course, fixed buy and sell operations cannot reflect the flexibility of trading. Leveraging the powerful API syntax of the Inventor platform, we can utilize built-in trading plugin nodes to implement more complex trading control and risk management through JavaScript coding. For example, the Take Profit and Stop Loss plugin demonstrated here can monitor position status in real time and execute corresponding take profit and stop loss operations, thereby achieving more professional exit strategies. Note that parameters can be passed into the plugin for use within the main function. Theory means nothing without practical operation. Now, let me demonstrate how to build a complete trading system using workflows. First, we drag in a trading node to obtain market data. This node can provide complete market data, including real-time K-line quotes and account position information. We set up a timed trigger to automatically obtain the latest data at regular intervals, ensuring our strategy is always based on the latest market conditions. Next, we add an HTTP request node to obtain external data. Through this node, we can subscribe to data from different interfaces, such as market sentiment indicators from exchanges, capital flow data, and even opinions from some calls and media. This supplementary information can make our analysis more comprehensive. Now comes the most critical step. We connect the AI node for intelligent analysis. The AI node is like the brain of our strategy. It will intelligently assess market data based on technical analysis methods, outputting standardized trading signals through preset analysis frameworks such as price behavior, trading volume, technical indicators, and position status. Even better, we can add a sentiment analysis node to convert complex analysis results into clear operational instructions. With the AI analysis results, the next step is setting up the trade execution node. This node will automatically execute corresponding trading operations based on AI analysis results, such as going long, going short, or closing positions. All trading logic has been defined in the previous nodes, so this just needs to execute. Finally, let us run this workflow. Workflows support multiple running modes. You can perform one-time execution for debugging and verifying strategy logic. You can also perform backtesting to verify performance on historical data. And of course, the ultimate goal is live trading to achieve fully automated trading. The entire system forms a complete closed loop from data acquisition, intelligent analysis to trade execution through real-time triggers. Let us see what an actually running workflow looks like. This demonstration workflow automatically triggers every 10 minutes, obtaining account positions, K-line quotes, and market sentiment data. After data processing and merging, the AI Comprehensive Assessment node uses the Claude model for technical analysis. Then the AI Trading Decision node converts analysis results into specific trading instructions, which are finally executed automatically by the trade executor with notifications sent. The entire process is fully automated, from data collection to trade execution, requiring no human intervention. That is all for today's sharing. If you are interested in workflow technology, I recommend everyone to experience it firsthand on the Inventor platform.